And I'd love to tell you that, you spent 45 minutes with me, you're good to go. You now are masters of leveraging tension. It's not quite that easy. I was reminded of that a number of years ago when my son was about this age. He's 15 now, but I remember when he was about this age, he got into some trouble at school. And it wasn't the first time, but it was the first time that it resulted in a phone call home. I remember that night we're debriefing with him. He was just so distraught. The tears are coming down. And at one point I said, Declan, it's okay. This is what they call a life lesson. It's a life lesson, which means he kind of stopped crying. He's like, what do you mean? And I said, well, I mean, you take the lesson and you apply it to the rest of your life. And just so you know, there's going to be a lot of these life lessons in the future. So he kept sulking and crying. And he goes, about an hour later, Becky and I are in the other room. He comes to us. He's got a pad of paper and a pen. And he goes, I just want you to write down all of life's lessons right now. And I'm trying to hold back laughter, but we were chatting later, and I'm like, gosh, even at this age, I just want the answer. Like, I don't want to wrestle with things. Just give me the 7 steps or the 5 habits, and I'm good to go. And yet, when it comes to these tensions, I can't give you the magical formula. Because leadership means that we don't learn to solve them, we learn to manage them well.